Howdy! Today, we are going to learn about abiotic and biotic factors, also known as non-living and living things.
What are abiotic factors? Abiotic means non-living, and abiotic factors include the sun, temperature, atmosphere, or any non-living object.
What are biotic factors? Biotic means living, and biotic factors are all living things in an ecosystem, including plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi.
Now that we know abiotic means non-living and biotic means living, let's go over some examples together.
Emotions are examples of abiotic factors. The two different emotions we see here, happy and sad, are non-living, so that makes them abiotic factors.
Another example of an abiotic factor is temperature. Is temperature a living thing? No, so we can say that temperature is an abiotic factor.
Water is a great example of an abiotic factor. We see water in the ocean and when it rains outside. Water sometimes has living things in it like fish, but it is not living, so it's abiotic.
Are shoes living? Of course they're not, silly, because shoes are non-living objects. They are also abiotic.
Great job helping identify all of our non-living or abiotic factors. Now let's take a look at our biotic factors.
As we mentioned before, biotic factors are living things. There are lots of living things or biotic factors in your backyard.
Flowers are beautiful to look at and smell. Flowers are living, and they help bees complete pollination. Because of this, we know that flowers are biotic factors and are living.
Trees are really big plants and are constantly growing. Since we know that trees must be living and can also be called biotic factors.
Animals, like dogs, are great examples of biotic factors. They love to play outside, they make great friends, and produce the sweetest puppies. Animals, like dogs, are also living and biotic.
Are humans living? Are you sure? That's right, humans are living. And we know that because we are humans. So because we are living, we are also biotic.
Now that we've brainstormed some great ideas of living and non-living factors, let's take a quiz together and see if you can guess which factors are biotic and which are abiotic.
Number 1. Look at this water fountain. Refreshing. Is this water fountain living? No, that means this water fountain is abiotic.
Number 2. Are humans abiotic or biotic? That's right, they're biotic because we are living.
Number 3. PU. What is that smell? Is this trash can living or non-living? Good job. This stinky trash can is non-living, so it's called abiotic.
Number 4. Look at this beautiful grass. Is grass abiotic or biotic? Awesome! It must be abiotic because grass is not living.
Number 5. Is this baby bird an abiotic or biotic factor? You are so smart. We know that animals are living, so this baby bird must be biotic.
Number 6. This is our last question. Is this sidewalk chalk living or non-living? Wow, you are doing such an awesome job. That's right, this chalk is non-living, so we call it an abiotic factor.
Why is it important to understand what abiotic and biotic factors mean? Also, why should we know the difference between living and non-living things? Well, let's break it down together. Living and non-living things work together to make an ecosystem run smoothly. It is important to understand if something is living or not, so you know how to classify them.
We had so much fun learning about non-living and living things together. Great job today.
See you next time!